Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and today we have another hand-selected vehicle to introduce to the UK market. So this one is a 2017 registered BMW 430d M Sport. As you can see from the exterior, as we have a walk around, it comes finished in the beautiful mineral grey, and it's complemented absolutely perfectly on the interior with the black Dakota leather. Now, having covered just 17,468 miles, the vehicle comes with full BMW service history and boasts £3,005 of factory fitted optional extras, and that is above all of the BMW specification. So you can see from the exterior, we've got the lovely M Sport alloy wheels covering the blue M Sport brake calipers, and the rear privacy glass. So as we enter the vehicle on the driver's side, we have the loudspeaker system, which is a Harman Kardon, costing £675. This particular model also comes with the M Sport braking system, costing £570. You've got the comfort access at £495, with the enhanced Bluetooth and wireless charging, costing £395, and the exterior folding electric door mirrors. So in the vehicle we have the brushed aluminium detailing there across the dash, on the door cards and on the centre console. Just underneath the main screen there, we've got the heated seats with the dual zone climate control. You have the parking aid with the front and rear parking sensors, integrated satellite navigation, 2-stage electric memory seats, an overall fantastic car, performance, comfort, style. And in mineral grey metallic paint. Thank you for taking the time for watching the video. I hope it's been of some use, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.